What if the universe holds objects so strange that even the sharpest minds in science can't fully explain them? Picture this: massive, eerie signals coming from nowhere, stars that vanish without a trace, and bizarre formations that seem to defy the very laws of physics. From black holes to mysterious radio waves, space is filled with countless wonders that leave even the most experienced astronomers scratching their heads. Today, we're diving deep into the enigma of these unexplainable celestial bodies and phenomena that seem to defy all logic and understanding. So what makes these objects so mysterious, and why can't science wrap its mind around them? Stick with me, and we'll explore some of the most baffling cosmic phenomena, objects that don't quite fit the puzzle we've built of the universe. The first strange object: fast radio bursts, FRBs. Imagine a sudden high-energy burst of radio, waves traveling across space, and then silence. Fast radio bursts, FRBs, are one of the most puzzling phenomena ever detected. These intense flashes last only a few milliseconds, but release as much energy as the sun does in an entire day. That's right, just a few milliseconds, and it's over. The strangest part? We have no idea where they're coming from. While scientists have detected hundreds of FRBs, they remain a mystery. Some theories suggest that these bursts could be linked to magnetars, a type of neutron star with incredibly strong magnetic fields, or even extraterrestrial signals, though that's far from confirmed. But the truth is, no one really knows. What's behind these bursts? And the fact that they're so sporadic and brief only adds to the uncertainty. Could these radio bursts be a signal from distant civilizations? Or are they just natural cosmic events we're too young to fully understand? With every new burst, our understanding of the universe expands, yet, at the same time, it deepens the mystery. The second strange object, Tabby's star, or KIC 8462852, is a star that's left scientists puzzled for years. Discovered in 2009 by the Kepler Space Telescope, this star behaves in a way that no other star seems to. Over time, it has exhibited strange and erratic dimming patterns, some of them sudden and significant, which suggests that something enormous could be passing in front of it. The leading hypothesis? Perhaps a cloud of dust or debris is blocking the light, although nothing like it has been observed in any other star. However, the bizarre nature of its dimming has led some scientists to entertain more exotic ideas, such as the possibility of an alien megastructure. Yes, you heard that right. Some researchers speculate that an advanced civilization could have built a Dyson sphere, a massive structure that would block part of the star's light for some unknown purpose. While the alien theory remains highly speculative, the odd behavior of Tabby's star is undeniable. Its mysterious dimming has made it one of the most talked-about stars in the cosmos. Could we be witnessing the first signs of extraterrestrial technology, or is it just the result of natural cosmic events we're yet to understand? The third, strange object. Rogue planets, imagined planets drifting through the cosmos, completely unbound to any star. These so-called rogue planets travel freely through space, without the gravitational pull of a star to keep them in orbit. Hundreds of rogue planets have been detected, but the fact that they are wandering alone in the vast emptiness of space raises several questions. How did these planets end up this way? Some scientists believe that rogue planets were once part of a star system, but were ejected due to gravitational interactions or catastrophic events, like the death of their parent star. Others propose that rogue planets could have formed independently in interstellar space, though this is harder to explain, given the conditions required for planet formation. What makes these rogue planets even stranger is that many of them are incredibly Earth-like, raising the possibility that some could harbor life despite not orbiting a sun. Could life on a rogue planet exist in the cold, dark depths of space, sustained by other unknown factors? The more we study these mysterious wanderers, the more questions arise. The fourth strange object. Black holes. We've all heard of black holes, the invisible giants that warp space and time with their immense gravity. But did you know that there are some black holes out there that challenge everything we know about them? Some scientists have discovered supermassive black holes that are far too large to have formed in the way we thought black holes did. These behemoths, millions or even billions of times the mass of the Sun, seem to have formed too quickly in the early universe, baffling our theories of stellar evolution. And what about the so-called primordial black holes? These are black holes that might have formed not from stars, but from the collapse of high-density regions of the early universe itself. They could potentially be scattered across space, hiding in the shadows, and could even account for the mysterious dark matter that makes up most of the universe's mass. But we've never seen one directly, and no one knows for sure how they could exist. The mystery of black holes is far from over. In fact, the more we learn, the more questions arise. What happens inside a black hole? Is it really a portal to another universe? Or does it simply lead to a void where the laws of physics break down entirely? The fifth strange object, the Great Attractor. If you were to look at a map of the universe, you'd notice something strange. A region of space seems to be pulling everything towards it. This mysterious force is called the Great Attractor, and it's located in a part of the sky known as the Laniakea supercluster. It's responsible for the motion of galaxies in our part of the universe. But here's the kicker. No one knows exactly what it is. What we do know is that the Great Attractor is incredibly powerful, so powerful that it influences the movement of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. But what is it? Some scientists think it could be a huge mass of dark matter, but no one has been able to directly observe it. Others believe it could be a region of space filled with massive clusters of galaxies, although the specifics remain elusive. The Great Attractor is one of those cosmic anomalies that leaves us with more questions than answers. Why is it pulling everything towards it? And what does its existence say about the nature of gravity and dark matter? The sixth strange object, the dark flow. Speaking of mysterious forces, let's talk about something even stranger, the dark flow. Discovered by astronomers in 2008, this phenomenon refers to the peculiar motion of galaxy clusters moving in the same direction at an unnaturally high velocity, faster than what should be possible given the known laws of physics. The movement seems to defy the expansion of the universe, as the galaxies seem to be flowing towards a distant region of space far beyond what we can observe. This unexpected motion challenges our understanding of cosmic expansion and dark energy, which is supposed to be causing the universe to accelerate outward. So what is causing the dark flow? Some theories suggest that it could be the result of a massive cosmic event outside the observable universe, something we can't yet see or even measure. Others speculate that it could be due to the presence of a massive unseen force or structure, something larger and more mysterious than anything we've discovered so far. Is the dark flow a sign of something beyond our universe? Could it be evidence of another universe, or even the remnants of a massive event that we have yet to understand? The mystery deepens with every new observation, and it may hold the key to understanding the true nature of the cosmos. The seventh strange object, cosmic voids. Now let's shift gears and talk about something else that's out there, a bit emptier but still just as mind-boggling. Cosmic voids are massive regions of space that seem almost completely devoid of matter. No stars, no galaxies, just vast expanses of emptiness. These voids are not just random patches of emptiness, they are massive structures, some spanning hundreds of millions of light-years across. The largest known void is the Bootes void, which is about 330 million light-years away from Earth. Inside these voids, the lack of galaxies and stars makes them the coldest and darkest places in the universe. But here's the mystery. How did these voids form and why are they so large? Some scientists believe that voids could be the result of the way matter clumped together after the Big Bang. Others suggest that the voids could have been created by cosmic forces that are still unknown. Regardless of their origins, these voids raise questions about the nature of the universe itself. Why are some regions so devoid of matter, while others are teeming with galaxies and stars? Could there be an underlying structure to these voids that we just don't yet understand? The eighth strange object, the WOW signal. Let's move from the cosmic voids and explore something a bit closer to the idea of extraterrestrial life. In 1967, astronomer Jerry Eman discovered a signal that seemed to come from deep space, one that didn't match anything known in the sky. The signal, known as the WOW signal after Eamon's written reaction, was a narrowband radio signal that lasted 72 seconds, coming from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. The strangest part? The signal was unlike any known natural phenomenon, and despite numerous attempts to locate it again, it has never been detected again. Some scientists have speculated that it could have been a signal from an alien civilization, while others believe it was some sort of interference or a technical error. Yet the WOW signal remains one of the most compelling pieces of evidence for the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Was the WOW signal a one-time anomaly? Or could it have been a genuine communication from another civilization? The fact that we haven't been able to replicate it only adds to the mystery. Could it be that we're missing the bigger picture when it comes to signals from space? The WOW signal remains one of the great unsolved mysteries in the search for alien life. The ninth strange object, alien megastructures. Now let's circle back to something we briefly touched on, the idea of alien megastructures. While we've already mentioned the possibility of a Dyson sphere around Tabby's star, this idea extends far beyond that. Could there be entire megastructures, gigantic artificial constructions, built by advanced extraterrestrial civilizations, orbiting distant stars or even floating freely in space? One of the most intriguing candidates for this theory is the star HD 140283, also known as the Methuselah star. This star, which is older than the universe itself according to some calculations, has baffled astronomers. How can a star be older than the universe, unless something is fundamentally wrong with our understanding of the universe's age? Some have speculated that these anomalies could be explained by alien technology or structures manipulating space-time, though this is purely speculative. The idea of alien megastructures challenges everything we know about the nature of the universe and our place in it. Could we be on the brink of discovering evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations that are far more advanced than we ever imagined? Conclusion: the cosmic puzzle is. We conclude this journey through the strangest objects in space. It's clear that the universe is far more mysterious than we ever thought. Whether it's the baffling behavior of stars, the bizarre motion of galaxies, or the possibility of alien technologies, these phenomena raise questions that science is still struggling to answer. But perhaps that's the beauty of space. Every answer we uncover only seems to reveal more mysteries, and the more we learn, the more we realize how little we actually know. So, what do you think? Are we on the verge of discovering the answers to these cosmic puzzles, or is there an even greater mystery out there waiting to be uncovered? The universe is vast, and as technology advances, we may just scratch the surface of the unknown. Stay curious and keep looking up at the stars. Who knows what strange wonders we'll discover next? As we wrap up this exploration of the strangest objects in space, it's clear that the universe holds secrets we can barely begin to comprehend. From the eerie quiet of the dark flow to the haunting possibility of alien megastructures, space is full of mysteries that challenge everything we think we know. And perhaps that's the most thrilling part of it all. The more we discover, the more we realize that the universe is far more complex and far stranger than we ever imagined. Every new discovery opens up a world of questions. What's hiding just beyond our reach? What other strange phenomena are out there waiting to be found? Could the answers lie in dimensions we can't even perceive yet? Or could it be that the key to understanding these mysteries is something we haven't even thought of yet? We may never have all the answers, but that's what makes the journey so exciting. As science pushes forward, perhaps one day we'll unlock the secrets of the strangest objects in space. Until then, we can only marvel at the wonders that surround us and continue to ask questions about what we don't yet understand. So, what do you think? Are we truly alone in this vast, mysterious universe, or are we just beginning to glimpse something far more extraordinary? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your theories and ideas about the strangest objects in space.